Hey guys, we're going to play Luck to be a Landlord today. It's the toxic capitalism game where you build a slot machine to pay your rent to avoid being evicted, much like reality. We will have 5 symbols to begin with: cherry, coin, spade, flower, cat. They don't do anything but make a gold each. We have to make 25 gold by the end of the spins. We have 4 spins. After that one, we have 4 spins. And now we get to pick a symbol. Each time we spin, almost without exception, we'll get a symbol. I like crabs. They are nice when you get a lot of them. They're especially good for the early game. But I want to get a lockbox because if we can get a key for this, we'll be able to crack it later. We could go for suits. At this point in the game, it's pretty important to just get things. So you get through the early game, otherwise you can just run out of money. I don't know if I can afford to pass. I'll take a close. Alright, toddlers are so amazing with pinatas. I will take a toddler and hope to get pinatas. I don't think we're going to see a lot of wine and beer. We might. Alright, we got our rent. No problem. 5 more spins to get 50. Starts to get a little trickier for this one and the next one. It's actually possible to lose now. Alright, so mining pick is good. Maybe we're going to go for gems. Maybe we're going to go for gems. Bears are amazing. We don't have any bears. We don't have any thieves. I think we're going to go for a pick. Let's go for gems. Alright, there's a thief. We have no bananas. I think we're going to eventually kill this guy. And he effectively makes 3 gold a turn, so we'll take him. I'll take a shiny pebble because we want to get those rare symbols. A lot of the really good gem stuff is rare. Ah, Golem, perfect. This is what we want. Destroy the self after 5 spins, adds 5 more. So we're going for gems this game. We have 1 spin to get 9 gold. Let us. Oh, pinata, beautiful, beautiful. Woo. Yeah, perfect, no problem. All right, we're earning it this time. Oh, good, Miss Fruit. Okay, this one's a good. This is a tough one actually. Okay, we got Miss Fruit. This is a rare. It's gonna eat bananas, cherries. We have a cherry. We don't have a banana. We kind of want bananas because they turn into banana peel. So let me mouse over this and then I'll show you this. A banana peel destroys thieves that are adjacent. So Miss Fruit is kind of a very weird indirect way to eventually kill this thief that we have. So I kind of like that. Big earns are just money. They're just going to turn to money. And then a luck symbol basically says, hey, I don't like this rare. I want a different rare. Miss Fruit is definitely an advantage. It's going to clear us a cherry slot, and it's also going to, if we get a banana, it's going to, yeah, we're going to go for her. Alright, Grave Robber, reroll. I think we have the dice already, we do. If this was the black suits, we would get it, but it isn't. And we do have a dice, so we're going to get this. Alright, we have to make, on average, 25 gold. Oh, good. Ooh, that's not 25 gold. Alright, we might have to get a little. We may just have to pick something every time here. Wow. Oh boy, 4 spins. Okay, there's a coconut. We like coconuts. We like lock boxes. We like both of these. We have a lock box. Let's get a coconut. Oh, good. Okay, we have 2 lucky stones now. They're going to increase our rare chance. We've got 2 of the ores popped. This is looking good. There's a chemical 7. We do not have a chemical 7 yet. I like this. We need more rares. We're going to get a lucky capsule. That one re-rolled thanks to our re-roll. That was good. We got a 5 off of that. Oh, good. Did you see that? We popped the, oh, the bartender's going to add alcohol. I don't see anybody that really cares about alcohol. Ah, the dwarf! He adds alcohol, yes! Alright, so we need this kid to eat this candy, and it's going to be big money. So the bounty hunter is finally going to kill that thief. he'll just kind of be worthless, right? He's worth 1 gold. I don't like our banana plan. We're gonna wait for a banana. Oh, good reroll there. So he's gonna give us a lot of gold when he finally pops. We just need a banana. And we're not doing too bad on money. We caught back up, so... Oh yes, oh yes. More minerals. Yeah. Oh crap. What did I just get? I got an egg carton. Alright, well, we got an egg carton. That's what we want. Alright, I think we're doing okay. We'll go ahead and take a beer because we have a dwarf. Yeah, there we go. This is what we like. This is what we like. 7, 8 gold. I don't think we care about any of these. I don't care about any of these seeds. Oh, this turns into a banana. We will get a seed. We're sure going to get some fruits and seeds. I think it's really good that. Look at these shiny pebbles. We have so many shiny pebbles. So these is increasing our chance. We'll take a beer because we have a dwarf. Alright, so we're hatching some gems. Oh good, she's eating 3 fruits now. We definitely hit it. Definitely hit it. Lucky capsule, yeah, absolutely. We definitely need some more rares. We are 1.3 times more likely to find uncommon, rare, and very rare symbols for each cat. We have a cat, which is nice. We have a cat. So, it doesn't seem like a lot, but 1.3 times is a huge increase, and we're growing our seeds anyways. Yeah, we don't even have a seed left. We're growing our seeds with the water here. So yeah, we're good. We're gonna get a cat, and we might get more cats if we find them. Look at this. Look at that. More beer. He's doing it. Our dwarf is doing it. Love to get more fruits. We'll take a chemical 7. If we get 3 of those, we get 77 gold, which is probably enough to push us through the range that we're behind on. If we get behind on one. We're not behind on this one, thankfully. So candy's good, but this guy will pretty much destroy himself. He gave us 8 gold, so I'll take that, yeah. I will gladly just take that. So, does anyone actually eat a coconut half? I don't think anyone does. Yeah, she eats a coconut. She doesn't eat a coconut half. Yeah, we'll be tricked into that. Let's get a lucky capsule here. So we haven't got anything that helps us yet. Oh cool, it adds a pickaxe. We'll have 2 of those. Interesting. We haven't got anything that makes the minerals worth more, but... monkey. He will destroy coconut. I think we'll need that eventually, because, yeah, we need that. We can hit this red. And let's choose Pinata for the child. We have a monkey now. Let's go ahead and make him better. Watch this move. He'll eat that coconut half. Banana. This is what we want. Let's finally enact our plan. Alright, let's do it. Let's get that thief. Let's home alone this thief. I will take a chemical 7. We get 3 of those. That'll push us over this rim. This kid is gonna help us too. Alright, I'm looking forward to it. Let's get this thief has gotten 20 gold already. I'll take a dice. We have help with dice. Yeah, dice are re-rolling. I like that. So there's that banana for the first time. It's a 3-step process to get that banana eaten. We'll take a chemical 7 again. 3-step process to get that banana eaten. So there's that banana. So we need that monkey to hit the banana. And then we need the thief to hit the banana. We'll take another lucky. Oh, wait, a miner? Well, we don't need to destroy these. We destroy them automatically. Let's take a lucky first. Rares. We could get some more eggs from that chick eventually, but we really want rares. Martini, does that help us? Bartender makes martini. I don't think anyone likes martinis, though. No one likes martinis. I don't think we like any of these. Let's skip. We have a lot of quartz already. I would like to actually find a way to make these work more or get rid of them. We don't quite need this much. Whew, yeah, we got this. Don't need quite that many quartz. Chemicals. Oh boy, this guy eats people. He just straight up eats people. Do we care if he eats people? Let's see. Do we have anybody we don't want him to eat? You can eat the bartender. That's probably fine. You could definitely eat Miss Fruit. She's kind of done her duty. The banana hasn't been eaten. Does he eat monkeys? He doesn't eat monkeys. Wow, are we gonna let this guy eat our people? I'm kind of into it. He'll eat our thief. He'll also eat Miss Fruit. She's already served her purpose. She's eaten. Well, we've already got a monkey. That monkey's going to serve her purpose. That'll destroy that banana. I think we're going to get. Does he eat toddlers? I feel kind of bad. There's 2 candies left that need to be eaten. But do you eat toddlers? Surely not. That would be brutal. Okay. Oh gosh, you eat toddlers. Oh boy. Oh boy. We do want the toddlers to eat these candy, but I'm gonna get them. Oh boy. Yeah, we like grave robbers. That lets us just pick urns with impunity. If 3 or more of the same symbol are adjacent and not empty, do we have any 3s? Do we have? We have 3 amethysts. We have 3 quartz. That's never gonna happen. Let's get this. So now, yeah, we like those urns. So now, let's get, we're just gonna feed General Zaroff, right? So this guy's gonna give us so much money. So we're just gonna feed him people. Yeah, we're just gonna feed him people. We are good at dice. We like the 5-sided dice. We got this reroll here. Ooh, good. Step 1 complete. Step 1 complete. All right, let's. Oh. Yeah, we got to get that candy gone. I'm sorry, toddler. You're destined to be fed to the general. I think I can refrain from throwing another child into the general. The mob general. This 28 gold is going to be massive when it hits. I don't think we want these. Alright. That finally happened! Yes! That beef has been eaten. So we could get a piñata. We still have 2 toddlers. I think we want to avoid having a bunch of candy left over, so I'm just going to skip it. The general has not appeared. We do have 35 symbols, so I guess it's not completely unlikely that the general will just not appear. I'm going to get a bounty hunter. We want the general to... There we go. That's what we want. Feed the general. And we make it. We got that rent. We take the treasure chest because... Oh, we don't take the treasure chest. We don't have a key, do we? I think we're gonna get a key. Ooh, a big ore? We do like big ore. We have 14 ores right now? Oh my gosh. We have 2 mining pigs and 14 ores. And we have... Oh, these are destroyed. I was confused. Yeah, I think we take big ore. Yeah, I think we take big ore. Ninja and... Oh, hey, we got black suits. This will give us a tiny boost. This will make these black suits worth a little bit more. Yeah, we'll take another thief now that we can finally kill him. Oh, yes! Oh, that was beautiful. Look at that. That toddler ate all that candy before he got nommed on, and we made money. I am only slightly feeling guilty about eating toddlers now. Alright, good. We'll get a void stone. These things just kind of give money. They just run the money right there, yeah. Yeah, that general's eating somebody. I didn't even see who that was. We take the big urns, because we have this. Grave robber. Yeah, because it pops in just like that. I think we just take big ore again. Yeah, we like the big ore. Yeah, we're getting money now. Yeah, none of these really help. Yeah, there we go. Clear those guys out of here. I'll take that gold. 31 gold. Banana peel? I don't think we need that anymore. Oh, honey. It technically makes us a lot of money to feed toddlers to General. So they're off. Yeah, that's great. 16 gold for that toddler. Oh boy. I feel better about feeding thieves to them. I feel much better about feeding thieves. That's what we should be doing. Wow, spirits cannot be destroyed. They're just 4 gold forever. Oh, no. Cleaning rag is what we need. Oh my gosh, cleaning rag is what we need. This is what we're here for. This is what we have. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, we can, we don't feel bad about killing bounty hunters. We can rejoice in their murder. Yeah, there we go. Wait, what just happened? The thief? Oh, he killed a thief. Okay, I was a little confused there. We still have our generals there off. I like the item capsule, but let's make sure we don't need a watermelon. Oh, do we need a key or a watermelon? I don't think so. We got the rusty gear. 3 more of the same symbol are adjacent and they're not empty. We get 3 gold. And we'll get another item capsule. Yeah, this shiny thing is making us money. We'll take a void stone that gives us even more money because of the rag. And plus it's just going to turn into like 9 gold right now. What is this? What is this thing? Do we have a monkey still? Yeah, we'll take a coconut. Oh, that's not a coconut. It's a copper. We'll take a coconut. What's this do? Seeds grow when adjacent to seeds. Yeah, we're not going to have that many seeds. That thief is getting money. Won't be long. Does copper make us more money? I think it does. It might be worth getting the copper. It does. 3 gold, or 3 copper, or 3 gold every time it comes up is not bad. Well, I think we got enough other things. Yeah, like those things are making us 4 each. We'll take the item capsule again. Oh, good. There we go. Bunch of those guys. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. We'll take a golem. We'll get more ore because that's what we do. Or we could take a key for this lockbox. Yeah, let's be responsible. Ooh, 5. No, 5. 5 ore. Can we turn down 5 ore? 5 spins, or a key that will finally get rid of that chest. So that frees up a slot, or we can get 5 ore. Are they big ore or small ore? Just ore. Turn into diamonds. We don't have any diamonds yet, so I would like to get rid of this lockbox though. I'll get a key. Yeah, this reroll is making us money. Just made us 8 gold there. And we have rent. We're not super ahead of it right now. Ooh. Ooh. That's a tough one. Do we take the diamond? I think we take the diamond. Chicken coop. Chickens add a lot more eggs. They transform a lot quicker. What do they transform into? I guess they're saying that chicks grow into the adults faster. Gets 50 and destroyed if there are at least 3 bears. Nope. Add 4 symbols. You know, we're getting late enough in the game that our rare chance is pretty high. And we really could use a few rares to even us out with the, like if we got a few diamonds for, oh, that's very rare. Yeah, if we got a few diamonds, if we just got like 2 more diamonds, I think we'd have this game in the bag. So I think just to guarantee we when we get this, it's just so unlikely we're going to get any more chickens. I don't think we're ever going to want a chicken, even though it does give us up to 6 gold a turn if we get a bunch of eggs. Yeah, I don't see it happening. Let's get the symbols. Let's go ahead and just look at them. We'll take a lucky capsule. We will take. I don't think we need a sapphire. We will take this. Yes, we will take this. Oh my god, we will take this. Oh my gosh, so this is going to clear out some of the stuff that isn't worth a whole lot. Quartz, pearls, shiny pebbles are nice, but we don't need them anymore. This is beautiful. We're going to take this guy. Oh, General Zeroff, you better not. Oh, please don't do it, General Zeroff. Please don't do it. Oh no. Well, he got a few. He cleared some space. That archaeologist. He's back! He's back! He's right back! Alright. Yeah, we take this. Okay. Alright. I think we feed this guy to General Zeroff. This archaeologist is gonna make some space again. We love this. We just had a few too many cheap things, and he's gonna clear those out for us every time. So that's appreciated. We will take a wealthy capsule. How are we doing on space? We now have 2 empty spots. That's nice. We now have 2 empty spots. Let's take a spin. General Zeroff is not going to eat the monkey because he doesn't eat primates. That's good. We will take a coconut. Wait. Do you eat... No, you don't eat copper. We'll take a coconut half for the monkey. Yeah, we're getting space again. This archaeologist is doing us favors. We are going to have to start getting replacements. I will skip. We're going to have to start getting replacements or we'll start seeing what just happened there. I want to know. What just happened there? What did we just lose? Oh, good. Perfect. We got rid of those 2. We're getting some spots. We got 2 empty spots now. I don't think we want any of these. Oh, that's good. There goes our door. That's good. Whew. This guy's got me worried. I'm so worried. I think we'll get an urn because we're going to get 4 times whatever, whereas this is just going to give us 8 one time. So we'll take an urn. Yeah, this guy's clearing it out. Yeah, that's a good archaeologist. We'll take a void creature. Do we want fruits? Is there a reason we want fruits? I can't remember. No. I think General Zeroff ate our reason to want fruits. So we will get a void creature. You are just such a good archaeologist. There's not much else. We're ready to get more, we're ready to get more mines. We want to get more mines. Yeah, we pay this rent. We are still making it. Ooh, do they eat each other? Oh my god, they eat each other. I think we want this. I think we want the General Zeroffs to die. I think we don't like them anymore. So, alright. Eat each other. Destroy. Barrel of dwarves. So you destroy this to add 7 dwarves? What on earth why would you ever want? If you cannot afford your rent, you may destroy this item and spend additional time. Yeah. Ooh. This will grow into uncommon or better. So oranges, peaches, plums, watermelons, strawberries, or apples. Is that good? No, that's terrible. I don't care about that. So we're going to get the coffee because we are... Oh boy! Oh wow! Oh my! 31. Okay, all right. We did it. We have cleared our board out. We have 3 empty symbols. We're gonna have to kind of do some rebuilding, but yeah, we're gonna have to do some rebuilding now. All right, what can we do now? I don't think we want these. Let's skip. We're pretty high in the rare chance, so we should start seeing some really good stuff now. We like the lucky capsule. We definitely need those rares. 6 rose diamonds is so nice. We'll take a bartender. And then we'll take a dwarf. Yeah, we're kind of rebuilding a little bit. I think we have to rebuild a little bit. I don't like these. We'll take a tomb for sure. We want a tomb every time. Yeah, that's what we like. Oh, 7 gold on that one because of him, right? Is that what he did? What does he do? Oh, I wonder why that was 7. So I don't think we want a cultist. I don't think we... Ooh, sapphire maybe. Because that's 3 every time. We'll take it. We need to fill our board again. Yeah, we like 3. We don't like these. 20 spins? I don't know if there's 20 spins left in the game, so we're going to skip that. Yeah, we've got a lot of dice. Dice are making us money because of this reroll, so we'll take another 5. Yeah, that was good. That was good. We like this roll. We like big ore. We like big ore. Now that rolled 1 twice. We're like 3 and then 1. 7, 7, 7. I think maybe we can... Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. We take the Dane. I really like this golden carrot here. 5 times more likely to find rares. Rares are the things that are going to propel us to just like astronomical heights right now. Yeah, this Dane is definitely getting. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we like that. King Midas. Is King Midas a good idea at all? So he's going to give us a ton of coins and make coins be worth more. Does this make coins worth more? That does make coins worth more. Does the Dane make coins worth more? No. So our coins are going to be worth 2. King Midas is going to give us 1 every single time. And give 3 times more. So that means coins are going to give 6 with him being adjacent. And if he exhausts adjacent, they're going to give 2. They're going to give 3. So 3 or 6. I think he'll win us the game too. I think between him and the Dane, I think we're going to be all right. I think we take him. Yeah, I like this. Mega chest. I don't really have a lockpick. I would get one for 100 gold. I would take a lockpick for 100 gold. So yeah, we take a mega chest. A sapphire. Fruit destroys fruit. Do we have any spare fruit? Not really. I think we deleted all our fruit. Yeah, we don't want it. Alright, Midas made some gold. Look at this. Look at her. Look at that work. So we got 7 spins. Oh, a rare. It's 3 cheese when destroyed. We don't have any owls, we don't have any rabbits, we don't have any wolves. I don't think we want rabbit fluff. I just don't think we want to fill it. We've got pretty much a full symbol list anyways. I don't think we want to throw extra stuff in there until it's a save? No, we don't even have, we can't unlock the one we have. Do we have a archaeologist? No. No, we don't. So let's skip. Let's give 6. 3. 3? What? 3. Oh, what have I done? I saw the symbol of the coin there. I thought that meant that gold gave 1 more. It doesn't. That was a mistake. Alright, so this is going to interact with the flower. And I think we might have an orange. No, we just have a flower. The big urn is going to turn into things we like though. Well, we get 3 gold off of them. It's alright. Chemical 7 maybe? We don't have any 7s. Oh yeah, we've already destroyed the 7s that we had, so we'd be starting over. I'll take an item capsule. We could really use something to make gold better. Since we're gonna have a lot of gold now, so let's go for an item capsule. Do we want to make more alcohol? We still haven't got the dwarf we wanted, so I don't think we do. Alright. But a second King Midas. See, the thing is, if they hit next to each other, you're getting 9. If these things are on the same thing and they're around a gold, you can get 9 from it. Is that worth it? I'm gonna do it. Because 3, I think, is enough to win. Ooh, but 12 off that dime sure is nice. We'll go ahead and skip. I think these 4 is good enough to take, though. We'll take it. Ooh, we are. Oh, we did it! We did it! Whew! Oh, that was tough. So, yeah, that was tough. But we got it. So.